We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive expert overview of the Gildan Men's Crew T-Shirts Multipack, Style G 1100. This product has earned a remarkable reputation, ranking as the #1 men's T-shirt on Amazon with over 300,000 ratings and an average score of 4.6 stars. The consensus among users highlights the exceptional comfort, quality, and value these shirts provide. Starting with the fabric, these T-shirts are made from 100% premium cotton jersey, which offers a soft and breathable feel. Many users praise the softness and lightweight nature of the material, noting it is comfortable enough for all-day wear and suitable for various activities, from casual outings to workouts. The fabric is also moisture-wicking, which helps keep wearers cool and dry, making these tees versatile for warmer days or physical exertion. Despite the fabric being slightly rougher on the inside than some premium tees, it does not cause itching or irritation, which is appreciated by those with sensitive skin. Fit is another area where the Gildan crew neck excels. The classic cut is flattering on a wide range of body types, with a neck opening that is neither too tight nor too loose, sitting comfortably against the collarbones. The sleeves fit snugly around the biceps without restricting movement, and the length is ideal for both tucking in and wearing untucked. Customers with different builds, including tall and larger-framed men, have reported that the shirts fit well without excessive stretching or shrinking after washing. Some recommend ordering a size up if concerned about shrinkage, as the cotton fabric may shrink slightly after the first wash. Durability is a key strength of these shirts. Users have subjected them to multiple wash and dry cycles, often exceeding 5 washes, and found that the shirts maintain their shape, color, and softness remarkably well. The stitching and seams hold up without unraveling, although a few users have noticed minor loose threads inside the shirts, which can be easily trimmed. The fabric does not fade or pill easily, contributing to the long-lasting appearance and feel of the shirts. Style-wise, the Gildan crew neck T-shirts are simple and classic, without any flashy design elements. This plain style makes them highly versatile as layering pieces under jackets or sweaters, or as standalone casual wear. Many users appreciate the availability of multiple colors and multi-pack options, which makes stocking up easy and economical. The price point is a major selling factor, with packs of 5 shirts costing around $25, delivering excellent value for quality basics. On the downside, some users have mentioned that sweat marks can be visible when perspiring heavily, and the fabric, while soft, is not the smoothest inside, which may not appeal to those seeking luxury-level softness. A small number of customers reported receiving shirts with minor defects such as small holes or rips, but these cases appear to be rare and isolated. Packaging has also been noted as an area that could be improved to prevent sticky tape marks on the shirts. Overall, the Gildan Men's Crew T-Shirts Multipack offers a reliable, comfortable, and affordable option for everyday wear. They perform well across a variety of uses, from casual to active, and hold their quality over time. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from a large user base confirms their status as a wardrobe staple. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This multi-pack is a smart investment for anyone seeking durable, comfortable, and classic T-shirts that deliver consistent performance and value.